Take advantage of our exclusive offer for all of our valued customers right now. Get 50% off on this premium healthy care product today only.
I told my patient that this herbal medicine is very special, and he asked if it was expensive. I said no, it is just a root cause of the matter.
The latest update on the situation is just coming in, and we are expecting to hear from the lead investigator shortly regarding the recent developments.
Kowace cuta da maganinta healthy, it works. Call 08061233950 today. Your health is our priority.
This is a specialized herbal medicine we're using to help treat this specific condition, and it has shown great promise in our recent patient trials here at the hospital. Why don't herbalists ever get lost? Because they always know which way the wind blows through the lavender fields, but seriously, this new tea is fantastic.
ഇപ്പോൾ ഇതിന്റെ തൊലികളൊക്കെ നല്ല ചെക്ക് അടിച്ചോണം തന്നെയുണ്ട് അത് മടക്കുന്ന നിരുതാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഒറിങ്ങിയ നടക്ക് വന്ന അടിയിലാണ് തട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ നോരിത ചോണുങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന്.
All right, I've got to head in and check on a few patients, but I'll call you as soon as I'm finished with rounds this afternoon.
Over Sega, you got to get different tie. Or why I do for why
Why
did the bicycle fall over?
Because he was too tired, just like someone else I know who isn't feeling fine or is feeling sick today.
Why did the doctor carry a red pen?
Because they wanted to draw blood.
Why do doctors make great comedians? Because they always know how to deliver a punchline that really cracks you up.
Kowace cuta da maganinta healthy, it works. Call 08061233950 today. Your health is our priority.
Why did the doctor Laz bring a ladder that corners to reach the high-link care and level patient kites? Welcome to our home. It is a pleasure to meet you today. Would you like to see some of the sights around the area? It's very nice.
Na gode sosai da ziyarta mu, muna jin daɗin ganin ku a wannan rana, fatan kun ji daɗin kasancewa tare da mu sai wani lokacin idan kun dawo.
Barka da zuwa shafin kowace cuta da maganinta Healthy Care. Mun samar da ingantaccen maganin cuta mai karya garkuwar jiki, cutar sida, wanda aka gwada aka ga yayi, sannan kuma ana ansan maganin ne a bisa ƙa'ida da sharuɗa da ƙa'idodi na maganin. Ga duk wanda yake buƙata zai iya tuntuɓar mu ta hanyar YouTube, sannan daga bisani mu gaya masa farashin maganin sannan ya saya. Magani ne na cuta mai karya garkuwar jiki, cutar ƙanjamau, wanda aka gwada shi aka tabbatar da ingancinsa, kafin nan aka fitar da shi aka fara watan ƙoƙarin gudanar da sai da shi ga al'umma. Sannan kar a manta har yanzu dai muna nan muna ba da magunguna wanda suka shafi cutar ulcer, cutar gyambon ciki kyauta a cikin watan azumin Ramadan. Ga wanda suka karɓi nasu muna roƙon Allah ya ba su lafiya, Allah ya raba su da cutar har abada. Ga wanda ba su ansa ba sai su hanzarta kan lokaci ya ƙure.
Why did the doctor bring a ladder to the